Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Bonk continues to be dancing on this Fibonacci level up there, this 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. It's basically the first line of support in this larger support box, which shows all the relevant Fibonacci levels for a wave 2 pullback. At the moment, what we can see on this chart is a potential 5-wave move up initially. So basically an impulsive move into the December highs. The price did correct down 75% from there and did find support, however, where that previous swing low was located around 950. Obviously, we've got the 4 zeros before that, but yeah, 94153. Previous swing low here and then retraced again. So that indicates weakness. Yeah, a lot of weakness here in the chart. Therefore, I have no reliable signal that an overall low has been made in this current pullback. It would look best if this yellow scenario is unfolding. Basically, that we see here a more extended pullback in this C wave of wave 2. That would be at the moment my primary scenario. It's what I'm watching for anyway. So I think from here somewhere, because we have 5 waves down, or nearly 5 waves, you could get another move down, but basically I'm watching this area for a potential bounce. It already reacted. I mean, it's clear why. I mean, we've got a previous swing low here, provided support here. Okay, so we're in the same region and we've got the fib level. So this is a strong area of support, all of this. So a bounce from here is reasonable, at least an expectation, a reasonable expectation. In addition to that, if the move down was indeed an A wave, then obviously this would be ideally a C wave. And we can calculate a target for a wave 1 of C by taking the length of the A wave. And we go to the high of the B wave, and it's often the area between the 38.2 to the 61.8 extension that a wave 1 finishes. And the price did get into this region and shows a bit of a reaction. So I think it's it's an area from where a rally could occur. And my first wave count that I'm going to observe when we go up further is going to be a wave 2. Okay, so I'm going to watch if this is a corrective rally that reaches this resistance area between the 50% and the 78.6 retracement area between 137240 and 159538. So only a break above that 159538 level would indicate that something more bullish is going on. So, but we don't need to deal with that question right now because we can't answer it, okay? But I can tell you what it could be. So it could be that this B wave is simply extending. That's what we were exploring before anyway, but that's a possibility because this B wave wasn't very high. So I would not be surprised if that B wave extends. It would only be confirmed, however, if we see a 5-wave move above that resistance area. If after that 5-wave move up, we see a corrective pullback, then we already have bottomed most likely, but I don't see that as very likely at the moment. What I can see as a more bullish interpretation is potentially this extended B wave, which would then be unfolding as a larger A, B, C structure. Okay, where could that level get to? I mean, again, we can just recycle basically or bring it back onto the chart, this larger resistance area, which will be relevant for that larger B wave, and that B wave would then likely end above the where I've got it placed at the moment. So somewhere above the 50% retracement there, somewhere above 181360. But at the moment, the chart suggests that the next rally might be a corrective rally, and then a 3rd wave down, a 4th wave up, and a 5th wave down are still reasonable expectations. That, however, gives you the relevant parameters to watch and gives you also a short-term bullish as well as short-term bearish scenario. And the next main support, so if we break below that red line that I mentioned in the beginning here, the next support and target for wave C of 2 is the 47270 level. It's a 38.2 retracement level. That's my update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.